Okay, so this is an example of a time where you were supposed to get refunded for something and you get your case submitted, but they reimburse you the incorrect amount. Okay, so basically we submitted this case. I'm using Refund Hunter in this one. They submitted this case and it was like, okay, look at this order ID. So I sold it for $119. So it was $100 on the product cost there, and then the shipping was $18.19. And then what we do is go back to Refund Hunter. And it's like, cool, yeah, we submitted you a reimbursement case. Here's the reimbursement ID. But then we look at the reimbursement here, and sorry, you probably can't see it because of my face. Let me fix that. All right, well, now you guys can see, and I only got refunded $18.50. It was a $100 order. So they bought it, they requested a return, and then they never returned it, and then Amazon only gives me $20 back. That's no. So you go ahead and then would need to resubmit a case saying, hey, here was the actual order amount. We are only reimbursed this much. The customer never returned it, so we should get refunded the whole order amount because the refund never even happened, or the return never even happened. And then, yeah, so not only do we have to like keep like going like that to them. It's pretty crazy, but there's some substantial amount of money. I would say that when I go through the claims the first time, I mean, I'm getting maybe half even of what I should be. So you still got to go and fight with them, but I hope that you guys get all of your refunds. And now on to the next way that we can get our money back.